My name is Vishakha and welcome back to my YouTube channel Economics with Vishakha. In today's YouTube video, we will talk about the concept of opportunity cost. आज के YouTube वीडियो में हम लोग opportunity cost के concept के बारे में बात करेंगे. Alright. So now before we move to the concept of opportunity cost, इससे पहले कि मैं आपको ये समझाऊं कि opportunity cost का concept क्या होता है, let me first explain कि यह concept arise क्यों होता है, right? Why does the concept of opportunity cost arise? Now this has to do with the origin of economics as a subject itself. So if you remember in the initial videos when we were talking about what is the subject matter of economics, है ना, economic subject क्या है, तब हम लोगों ने दो चीजों की बात की थी. We talked about two primary things or two primary concepts that are very important when we talk about the subject of economics. The first one was scarcity and the second one was choice. Scarcity और choice दो चीजें हैं जिसके ऊपर पूरा economics की जो study है वो base होती है ना. अब scarcity क्या होता है? It means that the resources that we have as individuals or as a society or as an economy are limited in nature, are scarce in nature, and because those resources have alternative uses, क्योंकि जो resources हैं आप उनको अलग अलग uses में या फिर अलग अलग तरीके से use कर सकते हैं, you have to always make a choice. Right? We have resources that are limited in nature and have alternative uses, and hence you have to make choice as to how do you want to use those resources, right? So let me explain this with an example. Suppose हम आपके time की बात करते हैं, right? Time भी एक resource है ना? Now the time that you have is limited in nature. आपके पास सिर्फ 24 घंटे ही हैं दिन में. अब उस 24 घंटे में which is a resource, the 24 hours that you have is a resource that you have. Now those are limited in nature. 24 के ऊपर आपके पास hours नहीं है. इसमें you have to do a lot of things, right? So these 24 hours have alternative uses. You can sleep, you can eat, you can go out to play. You have different set of options that you can choose from. So you have to make a choice कि आपको क्या करना है in 24 hours में. ठीक है. अब because of this whole reason that the resources are limited and they have alternative uses and that you have to make a choice between them, the concept of opportunity cost comes into place. Opportunity cost of a decision or of a choice is what you give up to get it. Right? I'm reading it again. The opportunity cost of a choice or of a particular decision is what you give up to get it. Let me just continue the same example. Suppose you have 1 hour spare time. ठीक है, आपके पास 1 घंटा है, which is your resource right now. Now in that 1 hour, you can either study or you can say sleep. ठीक है, you can either study in that 1 hour or you can sleep. So now you have to make a choice. Now if you decide to study, right, if you decide that you want to study, so the opportunity cost of studying is what you are giving up. So what are you giving up? You're giving up your sleep, okay, which could be a leisure time for you, right? So the opportunity cost of a choice is what you give up to get it. If you decide to study, you're giving up your leisure of sleeping, so that becomes your opportunity cost. On the other hand, say that you decide to sleep, okay, so you're giving up on the time that you could have studied, so the opportunity cost becomes the knowledge that you could have gained by studying or the extra marks that you could have gained. So any benefit that you could have derived had you chosen the other option is the opportunity cost of the first option. Okay, so whatever. So whenever we talk about a decision, the opportunity cost of a decision is what you give up if you take that decision. ठीक है, तो बाकी चीजें आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, so that becomes the opportunity cost of this particular decision. तो मैंने आपको जो अभी एग्जांपल दिया उसमें वी हैड ओनली टू चॉइसेस, राइट? यू कैन ईदर स्टडी या फिर यू कैन स्लीप. बट इन रियल लाइफ वन रिसोर्स कैन हैव मेनी यूजेस और वहीं से हमारी अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट की जो दूसरी डेफिनेशन है वो निकल कर आती है. According to the definition, opportunity cost refers to the value of a factor in its next best alternative use or in its second best alternative use. Let us understand this with a helpful example. ठीक है. So on your screen what you can see is that we have a resource. Time नहीं है. We have a resource which is 1 hectare of land. ठीक है. So you have 1 hectare of land and some other given resources, some other inputs which is your resource. ठीक है. Now you can use this land and the other resources in different uses. So the 4 uses that we have is that you can either use the land and inputs to produce wheat, you can use it to produce rice, you can use it to produce maize, and you can use it to produce sugarcane. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द 4 यूजेस दैट यू कैन पुट योर लैंड इनटू। अब इन चारों यूजेस से जो बेनिफिट निकल के आएगा वो भी मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है। सो इफ यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग व्हीट, आपको बेनिफिट मिलेगा ₹10,000 का। इफ यू आर प्रोड्यूसिंग राइस, यू गेट अ बेनिफिट ऑफ ₹8,000। इफ यू प्रोड्यूस मेज, you get a benefit of 7,000, and if you produce sugarcane, you get a benefit of 12,000. Right? So these are the alternative uses that you can put your land into. Now suppose if you look at the benefit, you will obviously choose say sugarcane, है ना, आप sugarcane produce करना चाहोगे. So you've made a choice, right? So you had a limited resource which is nothing but land. You had different options that you could put your input into, that you could have put your resource into. Now you have to make a choice. ठीक है, अब आपने choice, suppose आपने choice किया कि I want to produce sugarcane. ठीक है, so you made a decision that you want to produce sugarcane. So what is the opportunity cost of producing sugarcane? ठीक है, शुगर केन प्रोड्यूस करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट क्या है? इट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट यू कुड हैव गेन्ड, ठीक है, हैड यू नॉट प्रोड्यूस शुगर केन, है ना। तो क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत सारे यूजेस हैं तो हम अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट समझ सकते हैं सेकंड बेस्ट यूज पे, सेकंड बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव पे, है ना। सो इन दिस केस, इन द एग्जांपल दैट आई हैव गिवन यू, द सेकंड बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव विल बी टू प्रोड्यूस व्हीट, राइट, कि अगर शुगर केन नहीं प्रोड्यूस करना है तो आई कुड हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड wheat. So in this case, the opportunity cost of producing sugarcane is ₹10,000, which is nothing but the value of the second best alternative, which is the value of what you could have received had you produced wheat and not sugarcane. Okay. Now, in the next video, we will be talking about the concept of opportunity cost with the help of a production possibility curve. I've already explained what a production possibility curve is in the last video. So if you've not seen that, please go and watch it before you move to the next video. And we'll also talk about as to how do we calculate the opportunity cost. And then we'll move to the concept of marginal opportunity cost. So these are certain things that we'll be covering in the coming videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you've understood the concept of opportunity cost now. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel if you like my content. Thank you.